Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll tap into our resilience to help us cope with stressful times. Settle into a comfortable position. As you gently close your eyes, allow your spine to lengthen upward with ease. Let your shoulders soften, and gently place your hands on your knees or cup them in your lap. Let yourself relax and settle deeply into your seated position. Soften any tension in your body. Pay particular attention to unnecessary gripping in your jaw, your neck and shoulders, your belly and hips, Now, tune into your breath. Take a few deep, expansive inhales and exhales. Let your ribs and lungs widen like a balloon, expanding on your inhales. Let them soften and release like a balloon deflating on your exhales. And now, relax your breath. Let it gently return to an easy, natural rhythm. As soon as you turn your attention to your breath, there is a tendency to want to shape it or change it in some way. Do your best to stay with your natural breath, just as it is. And now, begin to label your breath. As you inhale, label the breath in. As you exhale, label the breath out. Inhaling, in. Exhaling, out. and allowing your attention to expand, make room for whatever else is present. If sensations arise, label them sensations, and then return to your breath again. If emotions come up, do the same. Label them emotions, and softly return to your breath. Let whatever comes up just be there, and then fade away again without criticism or judgments. Just keep returning to your breath again and again, labeling the inhale in and the exhales out. And now, let your attention soften. When life becomes overwhelming and stressful, it's normal to question our ability to keep pushing on. In these challenging times, it can seem impossible to keep going. Our first step is to acknowledge how we feel and to extend kindness and compassion towards ourselves. When we make room for our feelings and needs, we are also teaching ourselves acceptance. We can remind ourselves that it's okay to feel whatever we are feeling. When we're going through tough times, it's perfectly normal to feel tired. It's unreasonable to think we can endlessly keep going with boundless energy. In order to bounce back, we need time to heal and recuperate. So we can remind ourselves again and again that nothing is permanent. Our bodies will heal, confusion will pass, and we'll find our way once more. Resilience is something we develop over time. It takes practice and patience. Just like learning to ride a bicycle, a child might start off with training wheels. Once those come off, there will likely be a few falls and scratches as they wobble their way down the path, but eventually they'll speed away without fear. So when you're facing difficult times, remember to be patient and gentle. Keep checking into how you're doing. Find your way back to yourself through your breath, and give yourself permission to feel whatever it is you are feeling. As you build the resilience and perseverance to keep going, do it one gentle step at a time. Now gently return to your breath. Take a few loving, gentle inhales and exhales. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.